In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the possible reason responsible for the changes in two population A and B of the herbivore in a grassy field. For this, let me understand the given graph in detail. In y-axis, they plotted the number of organisms, whereas in x-axis, they told about the change in the population. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option B, C, and D. What are the points we told with this graphical illustration that we are giving as a point-wise narration to take the recap? The size of a population A is decreasing while the size of the population B is increasing. So it can be inferred that population B is comparatively superior to the population A. With this specification, we are choosing population B competed more successfully for food than population A. So we are choosing option A as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.